Today I have a few new sound effects, and I've also lowered the difficulty for level 1. So, the new sound effects are for collecting a power up, beating a level, and dying. So, first one is going to be the power up, and I've temporarily set this so level 1 only has 10 enemies. So that was the sound effect, that retro beeping diddle. And there's the winning sound effect. So now I'll die. And there's the sad sound effect for when the player dies. I'm still having issues with when the level reloads. That sounded weird. That didn't sound right. When the level... Okay. I gotta stop talking to... Okay, it does sound normal. I'm just talking. Just some of the notes I couldn't hear while I was talking. But I'm still having an issue with this game crashing when the level reloads. It has to do with the way... Well, so that's bad news. Thank God I do understand what's happening. It seems... it's got to do with the way I've structured these game objects, so I have a plan for how to fix that. We'll see how it goes. That's it for today. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you later.